May tanong, nag-break na kami ng ex ko, pero hanggang ngayon, sinasaktan pa rin ako ng aking ex-boyfriend. Pwede bang sabihin ng boyfriend na ang BAUSI, yung Violence Against Women and Children, ay pwedeng maihabla ko habang tayo ay may relasyon. Pero pag tayo ay nag-break na, hindi mo na ako pwedeng idemanda ng VAUSI. So again, we visit RA 9262, Anti-Violence Against Women and Their Children Act. And ang sabi dito sa Section 5, ito ay engaging in purposeful, knowing, or reckless conduct personally or through another that alarms or causes substantial, emotional, or psychological distress to the woman or her child. So, engaging in a form of harassment or violence. And ito nga ay elements ng violence against women na sinight ng Supreme Court natin, si Justice Leonen, sa Sedanyo versus People of the Philippines. Number 1 is dapat the offender has or had, ayun na. The offender has or had sexual or dating relationship with the offended woman. Number 2, the offender by themselves or through another commits or an act or series of acts of harassment against the woman. Number 3, the harassment causes her alarm or substantial emotional or psychological desires. Yung number 1 element, napansin natin na ang sabi that the offender has existing or had past. So again, unfortunately, yung depensa ng lalaki na hindi na siya pwedeng idemanda ng VAUSI kasi break na tayo, ay hindi uubra. Kaya pag sinaktan ka ng ex mo, kahit na naghiwalay na kayo, liable pa rin siya under the Anti-Violence Against Women and Children Law.